Hey everybody, it's the Walrus. Just down here at Providence Park where we normally do some fishing, and got Chan the man and Aiden here with me, and we're just checking it out. This has been flooded out for a little while, and look what we're seeing down here. That is a leech swimming in the water, looking for something to grab onto and suck its blood. This is the second one we've seen so far swimming in the puddles around here, and we'll let you know if we see anything else down here. But the park is immensely flooded. I'll show you the fishing spots where we normally go, but the park is pretty well flooded up. A lot of the landscaping has been decimated by the recent floods. And I'm going to get on this bridge over here and show you that the spot where the kids caught a crappie in the last fishing video I did, where the water was, you know, maybe a couple of feet deep, and you could kind of walk across it, and the kids were kind of just wading across the river, the creek. You might be able to hear it by now. That's the spot where they were standing, and we were wading across. But this is now about 6 feet deep and just raging rapids. The mini falls where Chandler and I do our micro fishing, which is normally just a peaceful little falls, is now this. And so much stuff was pushed under this bridge, and it caused the bridge to buckle and the walkway over here to be shoved up. So this is now dangerous to walk on. But all this was shoved down from up the river here. That is the little falls that we normally stand on right there and fish off of. Those spots completely underwater. Bling. And the spot where I normally stand is down here. And it's completely underwater. We had a tree get uprooted because the rapids were going through it so much. We got somebody over here going to cut it up here in a few minutes. But I'll show you my normal fishing spot down here, and it's not even accessible anymore. Yeah, normally I climb down right here and I stand on the sandbar right out there and fish where the two come together. The land where we normally stand on comes out to about there, and that's completely underwater. And it is, like I said, up about 4 feet deeper than it normally is in this spot. So, just showing you why I'm not doing a fishing video today. Hope you guys make today the best you can just by you being a part of it. We can praise God because skies are blue, sun is shining, no rain in the forecast for the next few days. Maybe this will go down and we can get some fishing done. Happy trails, everyone.